Tzu.
A Shih Tzu. All right.
Yeah. Which
That's
oddly
the
enough,
background behind that one, huh?
oddly enough, his name is Little Shit. That's what I call him.
I love it.
And so then it's time for him to have his meal after I get the mail and I look through it and it's like, Bill, you're overdue for jury duty. Bill, you're late on your Brazzers subscription, Bill, whatever. And then what we'll do is we'll have me and my Shih Tzu, Little Shit. I will sit and I will record him just making sounds.